kids the sound of K. Look at these kids all smiling. 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. Kindergarten kids have lots of fun. Maybe kindergarten in school, maybe kindergarten in homeschool too. It can be at home and go to school, or go to a building and have school. There they are. Lots of fun. See, it starts with K. Kindergarten kids. Kids will do all kinds of things. Yeah, so she's painting right now. I love it. I like her little shirt with the butterflies. Kids learn numbers 1 to 10. See, he's working at his numbers. These numbers, there's the 2 and the 3 and the 4. They're kind of upside down, but not to him because he's on the other side of the table. Some kids write with a pen. So see, he's really concentrating. He's got his pen. He's writing with his paper on the paper. Some kids kick and toss a ball. Wow. So kids kick. See the ball down there? And look at them. They're both looking where the ball is. So they're going to kick the ball. Some kids run and do not fall. Look at that. They're running together and holding hands, staying together. Some kids dress up like a king. Wow, look at that costume. See the crown and the coat? It's all fancy. So it's like a king. Some kids dance and some kids sing. Look, she has her microphone. She's really enjoying singing. Kindergarten kids have lots of fun. So see, they're in a building with the teacher, and you can be at home with the teacher too. Kids will do all kinds of things. Wow, have you ever done that? Take a piece of paper and you fold it in half. See the fold? And then you cut and open it up. You get a surprise. It's nice looking through it. Love it. It says kids will do all kinds of things. Our word list: kick, kids, kindergarten, kinds, and king. Our book for K. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org.